this is Dr. Konstantin, and this is Rebecca, my patient care coordinator. So Rebecca asked me today, Dr. Konstantin, can you please show us again where the facelift incisions are gonna go? Because patients keep asking me all the time, and this is very important question because the incisions we want to place in the areas where other people just wouldn't see. So we hide them around the ear because it's the best place to hide them. But where exactly, I'm going to show you right now. So we are going to do a facelift on Rebecca today? Well, of course not. But we're going to show where the incisions go. And typically we start making incision right around this area so it can hide nicely underneath the hair patch. And of course, everyone is different. So for some people, the incision would be slightly longer. For others, it would be a little short. So it starts around this hair patch, then curves around the ear in a natural crease. So right here, there's a nice shadow. Then it goes on the back side of the ear, not in front like people used to do in the old days, but right on the back here. Then it comes down in this little wrinkle and goes on the back side of the ear and crosses right over here into the hairline, right? So this is what allows us to rejuvenate the face and remove all the extra skin, but at the same time hide the incisions so other people, when they look, they really don't notice them. It goes around this hair patch, around the ear, on the back of this little cartilage, in this wrinkle, on the back side of the ear, and hides inside the hairline. So in the initial healing period, we ask people to bring their hair down so all of that is covered, but once the healing period is complete, they really should not be very noticeable. This is Dr. Konstantin, and with the help of Rebecca, we showed you where the facelift incisions go. Please call us if you have any questions. Rebecca and I will be happy to talk to you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below so you see more videos and get more educations about facelifts or facial rejuvenation procedures.